Hey USA friends, welcome to FinBoost USA. I'm just like you, a total beginner when it came to money stuff. But in 2025, with inflation and all, I've got 5 super simple hacks that saved me hundreds already. No fancy math or Wall Street talk, just real tips to boost your wallet. If you're new to this, hit like and subscribe for more. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Master the 50-30-20 budget rule. It's a game changer for beginners. Take your monthly income, 50% for needs like rent, groceries, and gas, think $2,000 out of $4,000, 30% for wants like Netflix or that coffee run, $1,200, and 20% for savings or debt, $800. Download the free Mint app to track it automatically. Boom! $200 extra saved per month without feeling broke. Hack number 2. Build an emergency fund, your safety net for life's curveballs. Aim for 3 months of expenses, like $3,000 if your bills are $1,000 a month. Start small. $50 a week in a high-yield savings account at Ally Bank, over 4% interest in 2025. No more maxing out credit cards for car repairs. Peace of mind for under $200 a month. Hack number 3. Crush high-interest debt first. It's stealing your money. Credit cards at 20+% APR, list them smallest to largest and pay off one by one. Snowball method. Put that freed up cash on the next. In the US, average debt is $6,000. Clear it in 6 months and save $500 in interest. Apps like undebt.it make it easy. Hack number 4. Start retirement savings now. Compound Magic works for beginners too. Contribute to a 401k or Roth IRA. Get your employer's match for free money. 2025 limit is $23,500, but start with $50 a paycheck. Tax breaks in the US mean more in your pocket. Vanguard's app sets it up in 5 minutes. Your future self thanks you. Hack number 5. Check and boost your credit score. It's your money superpower. Get your free annual report at annualcreditreport.com. Pay bills on time, keep utilization under 30%, boom, score jumps 50 points fast. Good score, 700 plus, lower loan rates save thousands on cars or homes. Credit Karma alerts you for free. There you have it, 5 easy hacks to level up your finances in 2025. Which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. Like if this helped, subscribe to FinBoost USA for weekly tips, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Stay boosted. $money. See you next time.